Here it is, April 16th. One of the rear wheels on the old Ford Jubilee has split wide open, just rust. So they're out here doing a complete on-farm service call. I'm going to have them replace both wheels and both rear tires, put in a methanol mixture for weight, and new inner tubes. So let's go see what's going on. Goodbye, old wheel and tire. I'm so tired of messing with you. Clever. Yeah. Locate that. Is that sort of like a soapy grease?
It's raw soap.
You wash your hands with it, right?
Yeah, I mean, you clean your hands pretty good.
Yeah, I can see that, considering everything you do. Somebody figured that out. It took someone who does this for a living to figure that little trick out. So what do? You air it up a little first and then put the methanol solution in?
Yeah, I'll air it up and seat the beads, and then I'll put our hose on it, and then I'll pump the methanol in, and I'll let air out, and then I'll pump the fluid in and like back and forth until I get it full of fluid.
What kind of PSI do you like in these tires?
I usually, on the tractor this size, probably about 12 to 15.
Okay. hear it hit the tire.
Yeah, you can feel it too.
Oh, wow.
So I'll pump so much in there, and I'll look at my gauge and get it where it's tight, and then I'll let some air out and purge it back and forth until it's completely full with the valve stem at the top.
Oh, the liquid is.
Oh, the liquid, yes.
That's a lot of liquid.
Yeah. This tire, it probably holds 30 to 40 gallons, every bit of it. Yeah.
I should notice some difference because there was nothing left.
Yeah.
New on the left, old on the right. Same brand of tire, Galaxy. Same size. Slightly different size wheel because that's what was available. This is what you do full time.
Yes.
And are you the only, but there's one other person besides you who does it too.
Yeah, it's me and another guy do this full time, and then David Reynolds, the owner, he does it occasionally when he has to.
Oh, I understand. And the other guy has a complete rig like this too.
Well, yeah, his is just a regular pickup truck though.
Oh.
So he can get into smaller places, and you know, like if you're out in the field somewhere where you need four-wheel drive or stuff like that, you can take that out there versus I can't go to so many places in this.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Well, 2 hours later and he's done. He's going to another job. And there she is. Also discovered that if you need any work, which I'm gonna this winter, they have a pickup service, so they'll come and pick up your tractor and take it to their shop and bring it back here for mechanical work. For tire work, they do it on the farm like this, which is nice. And so that's what I'm going to do. I think this winter, when I put this thing to bed, I'm going to call them, have them come get it and check out or redo their bearings in the rear and the other hub, or maybe even check out both rear wheel hubs. The hydraulic system is a little sluggish. Let them check that out. Just give it a good service. I figure why not. And I figure also maybe some new front tires and maybe a new wheel in the front, or maybe just straighten that out. I'll have to talk to them about that, but they can do that while they have it. So it's nice to find a place that's not too far away. They're probably about 20 miles away. That does good tractor work. You're probably wondering what this cost. So $228. Actually, yeah, the wheels. 228 by 10 6-loop wheels. They were $240 a piece for $480. The Galaxy tires are 12.4 by 28 tires. 2 of them $475 each for $950. Tubes to fit said tires, 2 of them $60 a piece, 120 bucks. 70 gallons of methanol mix. That's 1 gallon of methanol for every 6 gallons of water. It took so it was $1.25 a gallon that they make there in their shop for a total of $87. And then the dispose of the 2 old tires they carried away was $40. Total bill, including tax, was $1,954.28. Well, considering that the tires he took away, I had put on in 1990 brand new. So here it is, 2026. And the wheels that were just replaced were original to the tractor. Now only one side was split wide open from rust, but the other side was having difficulty holding air because of the air valve hole being sort of rotted out a little bit in the rim. And so he brought another wheel and we decided to put that wheel on too.